Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a swatching of these awesome sets from Makartt, the Blooming Nail Gel Polish set and the Sweet Cravings Watercolor Marble Nail Ink set. Brace yourself as there's going to be a lot of marble beautiness today. Quick disclosure before we started in, this video is in partnership with Makartt, so all the products that I'm going to be using and showing you today are from Makartt and are available on Amazon. Alright guys, we're going to start with the Makartt Blooming Nail Gel Polish set. This one is alcohol, watercolor, kind of nail ink, specifically designed for different creative marble kind of nail designs. We have 6 colors, so let's try them out. So this one is the gold. This is how it's inside, and we are just gonna see how it's. That's the color. This one is gold, but I feel like it's more like an orangey. We'll see how it's gonna behave on the white. Next one is azure. It's a beautiful blue color. Now, I personally love me some blue marble, so we're gonna swatch this one. See how beautiful this one. Oh, I am super excited for this one. So here is the blue on this one. Gorgeous color. Absolutely gorgeous color. There we go. Then we're gonna swatch this one. This one is yellow. I'm gonna bring it closer, just like that. So here's the yellow. As you can see, the yellow is a little brighter than the gold. And the next is fuchsia. It looks like this. It does look orange in the bottle, but when you swatch it, you'll see in a second. It's going see how it's turning like red fuchsia. Love this color. It's such a gorgeous, such a gorgeous color. Look at this. Definitely gonna be using this one for sure today. Next one is lead, to which I believe it's a black one. So let's try it on. Yeah, this one is a black one. So if you like that white and black marble, this is going to be perfect. One is the green one. Oh, the green one looks so good too. Let's see. Oh yeah, the green looks so gorgeous. You guys take a look at that. Beautiful. And to do the swatches today, I'm going to be using the Makartt Coffin nail tips. These ones are full cover. Honestly, I absolutely love the shape and everything about these tips. So yeah, if you're looking for good tips for yourself, give it a try. You're not going to regret it. By the way, all the products are going to be listed in the description of this video down below. So if you see anything that you need, just know everything is going to be there. Of course, we're going to need a white gel polish. Honestly, you can use any kind of a pastel bright colors, but I love the marble on the white for some reason. So we're going to use this white gel nail polish from Makartt. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply 1 coat of white gel polish. Normally, if I would do it on my nails, I would do 2 coats, but just for the sake of saving some time, we're going to do just 1 coat of gel polish. Pop it in a lamp for 60 seconds. By the way, the lamp I'm using is from Makartt too, and it's cordless, so you can use it on the go, and you don't have to worry about the cords all over the place. It has a 30 and 60 timer, 60 seconds timer, and it turns on and off by a simple touch. Oh, love it so much. Okay, we're going to wipe the surface with alcohol to get that tackiness away. So I'm going to start with the gold color, guys, and I am just sporadically putting it all over my tip. Don't really follow any rules. It's like with marbles, the messier it is, the better. And then I dip a clean brush in a sleeping solution and touch random spots all around the where I place the ink. There's no particular order to this. I'm just winging it, going back and forth until I'm happy with it. So I'm going to speed it up through the process because there's really nothing else to add to it. So I'll just show you how I do it with a nice music in the background.
We'll be right back.
All right, and the next set that I want to try today, guys, are the Watercolor Marble Nail Ink Sweet Cravings. Now, these ones are pastel. I don't know about you, but I love bright colors, but I also love pastels. Here are all the colors that are included. Right, so we have crushed pineapple. I definitely got it all over my fingers. Berry blue, sugar plum, lemon lime, zesty tangerine, and cotton candy. So I am very excited to see how they look like. So we are going to, I'm going to swatch them on the paper towel first. This one does have like a little, you hear it? Like a little ball inside. So that means you gotta shake them a little bit before using. So let's do that. Like, oh my goodness. These colors are so cute, you guys. Do you see that? Oh, love that color. Again, like, see, there's coming like, you gotta mix them, you guys. You gotta mix them. This one is berry blue. Beautiful color. Pop it right here. Oh, so cute. Do you guys see? Definitely different from what we tried earlier, right? Because those are like more vibrant, like strong colors. These ones are definitely more like pastel, to which I personally love. I think pastel colors are so trendy right now. This one is more like a lavender. It's called Sugar Plum though. We are gonna, oh my goodness, look at this purple. It's more of like, well, it's not purple, it's lavender color, but it's so cute. This one is lemon lime. Again, we just shake them. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh, this is gonna be such a beautiful marble. Let me add a little more. Oh, I got it everywhere. All right. And here we go. Oh my goodness, this color is so gorgeous. It's like that corally. Well, it says zesty tangerine, but it's like that coral blush color. Super cute, super pretty. All right, we got a cotton candy. Ah, this color is so pretty. Stunning. So these are all the colors that we're having right now in this set. Honestly, if you'll tell me to pick a color, I wouldn't be able to because they are so pretty, all of them. And this is crushed pineapple, you guys. Ah, this is so pretty. Take a look at this. Oh, I am so in love. Okay. I think it smells like pineapple or something. It does smell like pineapple, you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Bring our slip solution. A little brush. You can definitely use a smaller brush or a thinner brush. I like this one. And I am just going to kind of smear it around. Just like so. Take a look at that. Oh, so cute. I am pitching. Every time I'm getting excited, I'm like, I gotta pitch up high. So funny. Take a look at this, guys. How cute is this? This one is the crushed pineapple. So gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Berry blue. Ah, oh, such a beautiful color. And we're gonna do the same thing as we did before. So everything is so repetitive, you guys. The colors are amazing. I'm just going to speed it through and let you enjoy it and see how I manipulate it. In a way, everything is so self-explanatory, but we want to see all the colors, so let's get into it. And the next one is going to be the Sugar Plum. So the next color we're gonna go in is going to be the lemon lime. The next is the zesty tangerine. So the next color is going to be the cotton candy. All right, there we go. Here are all the colors from this set. Oh my goodness, if you would ask me to pick a color, I would probably be clueless because they are all so gorgeous. Which color is your favorite? I'm like, leave it in the chat room because I'm like, they are all so beautiful. All right, guys, these are all the swatches we did today. All the colors, as you can see, 2 different sets. They definitely have a 2 different outcome and finish. I love both of these sets. I think they are super amazing, very affordable, and oh my goodness, so easy to do. Again, all the links to the products are going to be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.